right. I noticed the showers on first alert Doppler radar here to the east in Cuyahoga County and northern Summit County here. That's why you saw more clouds throughout the Independence area, because we've got a passing shower a little bit closer to the lakeshore versus what's going on down towards Dover, New Philly. We're even starting to see some clearing over in that area. So zooming in right now, mainly Cuyahoga County and areas east. There are some thick clouds mixed in here too, though, so that means a little bit of drizzle and mist will also be around here on and off through the day. So the other big story today is going to be the wind. Really gusty winds, gusting close to 40+ miles an hour, and temperatures are going to be crashing as those winds are picking up. So it's going to be feeling chillier and chillier as we head through the afternoon. Now looking ahead, we're gradually clearing as we head through tomorrow. Some more sunny skies on Thursday before we do another up and down pattern before we get to Easter weekend. So hour by hour today, again, temperatures are going to be falling as we head through the afternoon. Winds gusting again, sustained they'll be 20 to 30, gusting close to 40 as we head through the afternoon hours. So low 40s with 30 to 40 mile an hour gusts. It's going to be feeling very chilly out there with that wind out of the west. So across the board late this afternoon, notice we've got all 40s on the board. We're falling slowly. Factor in the wind and we will have a little bit of that wind chill. So another week where we've got a lot of ups and downs, and because temperatures are crashing and falling through the afternoon and we're going to be watching for passing rain and leftover moisture, that does mean a snowflake or two could mix in. So we'll talk more about how much more rain we'll see over the next 24 hours, plus some good news heading into Easter weekend. Those details coming up. High temperatures in the 40s, but slowly falling. Tomorrow we'll have some more sunshine here too. Temperatures are still going to be on the cooler side in the mid 40s to around 50. And then as we head towards Thursday, more sunshine on the way, gradually warming up before our next system comes in. So right now, most of the rain east of Cleveland. I can't rule out again a little bit of drizzle where we have some of this thicker cloud cover in Cuyahoga County, northern Medina County. You can see we are seeing some breaks in Summit County right now, but mainly through Geauga and portions of Portage County right now. We've got some steadier rain, and then a little tiny cell right there making its way close to downtown Cleveland. We'll keep an eye on the cameras here over the next half hour or so to see if we start to see some more drizzle. Zooming out though, we've got a cold front that moved through late last night, and now the wraparound moisture is coming in. So that's why we're going to continue to be dodging showers through the afternoon today. Notice we've got some more cloud cover and a few rain showers off to our west that are slowly going to be coming in today. And also with this leftover moisture, funneling cold air is coming in too. You can see all the dark blue on the temperature tracker. That's what's moving in to northeast Ohio. So temperatures are going to be dropping through the day, and winds are also going to be picking up. So these are the wind gusts through this afternoon. Look, gust over 40 potentially during the afternoon drive. So there's not going to be a ton of rain around, very hit or miss showers, but definitely will need two hands on the wheel for the way home, because there could be, especially if you've been doing some spring yard work over the weekend, tree limbs, things like that, leaves, debris in the roads, especially in some of the neighborhood and side streets, something to watch out for. And then it stays breezy through the overnight hours. Winds will be gusting over 30 miles an hour through the overnight, so it is going to be making it feel even chillier out there. So this is through 2 o'clock. Notice it's very hit or miss in terms of shower activity. It does look like we'll be a little bit drier during the drive, just that's when the winds are going to be picking up. Hour by hour, watch gradually we clear out. Better chance for snow, some colder air for our friends over in PA, but that does mean a snowflake or two could mix in for our friends over in Ashtabula overnight into early tomorrow morning. So definitely trending colder once again. I know we had one warm day, back to a couple of colder days, especially colder nights. Check on your plants, especially if you're getting ready for spring, heading into the next couple nights here. Gradually warming back up as we head into Easter weekend. Another system comes through. We'll talk more about Easter, but right now looks to be trending dry. Shannon.